Hi. Okay, so you may remember yesterday we started working on adding and subtracting integers. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do these again. Let's see, so the first way might be, as we discussed yesterday, to use absolute value. So if I have -3 and +8, if I take the absolute value of both of those numbers, I end up with 3 and 8. Now I take the difference of those two numbers, so 8 minus 3 is 5. And then I look to see which number is bigger, the positive number or the negative number. In this case, the positive number is bigger, so that tells me that my answer is going to be 5. Another way I can do a problem like this is to use a number line. So for example, if I start at -3, 1, 2, 3, here, and then I go up, which is the positive direction here, 8, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll notice I end up at +5, which is the same answer we got when we did it using absolute value. Now I'm going to show you a different way to do these addition problems using a model. So one of the things I can do is I can use, in this case I'm going to use these algebra chips. So I'm going to take 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, that's the 3 negatives. And then I'm going to take 8 positives, 1, that one didn't clone right. Let's see. I'm going to take 8 positives, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now anytime I have a pair, I can get rid of them. So let's see, I'll use a marker to show that. So I have 1 negative here and 1 positive. So that's a pair, a negative and a positive, so they cancel each other out. Here I have 1 negative and 1 positive, so they cancel each other out. Here, I have 1 negative and 1 positive. And so now I'm left with, let's see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that was the answer that we were supposed to get, right? 5 we knew was going to be the answer. All right, so let's erase some of this stuff. All right, let's do another problem like this. Let's say I have -2 plus 3. If I take 2 negative chips for -2 and 3 positive chips and then cancel out all the ones they have in common, so I've got a negative and a positive here, I've got a negative and positive here, then I'm left with just 1, so -2 plus 3 is 1. Now it also works in the instances where we end up with a negative number. So for example, say I had -6 plus -3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3. So now I look at these and I decide I can cross out any pairs that I have. I don't have any pairs because I don't have any positives. So that means I just count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I end up with -9 because I have 9 negatives. So that's yet another way to do addition with using a model. Remember again, you can also use a number line or you can use absolute value. So that's all for today on adding and subtracting integers. Tomorrow we'll work up more on subtraction. All right, thanks.